Okay, so here's my solid state Tesla coil. I got a half bridge driver on here. It's IGBT brick. I got isolation, gate drive transformers there. I got dual gate driver chip in there. I got a PIC 12F675 in there. Got a hex inverter to buffering for the antenna. A little control transformer. And then it runs right on the line voltage. I've got a variac to vary the juice. Primary coil. Secondary coil. Secondaries probably could be shorter and fatter, bigger in diameter. I think it probably would work better. But it works pretty good like this. I'm going to make another one that's got a shorter, fatter secondaries. I think that those ones work better. But the drive circuitry on this has proven to be quite reliable. I've hammered this thing for a lot of time. It still works good. So let's spark it up. It helps if you turn it on. Woo. Just about continuous wave right there. A little bit of an interrupt in it. Well, that's about it. Turned out good. It's been very reliable. I can go pretty much continuous wave. Full bus power. And there's a little bit of heat in the heat sink, but the IGBT module's bolted right to this brick, and then I got a little fan drawing air through this heat sink. It's interesting though, the magnetics of this thing actually make that fan bog down when you load it up, so you have to be careful. But missing a couple of screws out of my box because I was working on it. But that's her. I'm gonna make one with a optical fiber. That way I don't have to get too close to this thing because it'll bite you.